Came with a 20-foot marine, non-marine hose. Okay, so I gotta turn on. So I'm gonna hook this up here, so it's about 85 degrees. Finally got good weather here in Indiana. Hook up the hose here. Today I'm gonna power wash the sidings. And first I'm gonna try to use a 5-gallon bucket without the hose first. I wanna see how that works because again, my main purpose of purchasing this was to be as portable, lightweight as possible. So I don't have to have, because I'm not gonna be able to have a hose, access to a hose, water hose. So I'm gonna try that first and let you guys see how it works, if it works. And then also guys, we're gonna use, later I'm gonna show you with a hose. So I'm gonna try 2 different type of connection here. Okay, so here you see how I'm hooking up. This is a 20-foot, again 20-foot, came with a 20-foot marine, non-marine hose, and it's 1900 PSI. Came with 40 degrees and then I believe 20 degrees nozzle. Okay, and it's a 30 foot electrical cord extension. Oh, the bugs are coming out. It's raining a lot here in Indiana, so the bugs are coming out. When it's wet, you get a lot of bugs. So here we got 30-foot cord extension. Also has a built-in surge, protector and stuff too. So, and then but yeah, again, we wanted something to be a little portable. And I'm gonna work that in first, see how that works, guys. Hose here, I'm gonna connect it. When you do this, guys, I recommend using a short hose. And then you're supposed to put on a high area here so that it can get gravity. Okay. So we're gonna try an air here. Here's a 5-gallon bucket, guys. 5-gallon bucket. And then put this in here. Okay, so I gotta turn on and see if it works here. Give it a little bit here. Usually power pressure takes about 5-10 minutes to build up pressure. So let's give it a little time here, guys. Let's see how long this lasts with a 5-gallon bucket, guys. Now we're finally up to 1900 PSI. Look how this baby clean, guys. Oh yeah. All that mold coming off. Look how much water. Get up close and Does clean really well. You see that mold coming off? So much easier, guys. So much easier. So much. You don't have a bulk machine to carry around. Yeah, you see that? Works awesome, guys. So yeah, I recommend the product, guys. It's for something more portable if you're looking for. This is the product to go. 1900 PSI will cover a lot of your projects, your siding, and like washing the car and simple easier cleaning stuff. Now, if you're looking for heavy duty, I recommend getting gas or electric, more powerful, bigger machine, 2300 and above PSI. But for something like this, it's simple, light, very portable, guys. Easy to use. And you see this setup? It's just simple, just very simple, guys. So I do recommend the product. Again, we have Greenworks product over the years, and they work really, really well over the years. Their product has gotten so much better and so much more engineered and better result. And again, you can use this and hook up to hose if you want. And with hooking up hose, you probably get a little bit more pressure. And you can see here, guys, you see here how one bucket can last about 5 minutes. So you have 4 buckets, 20 gallon. You will be able to get about 20 minutes of cleaning. And in 20 minutes cleaning, you probably can get, you see here, just 1 bucket. Of course, with all the testing video, I'm probably going to clean with 1 bucket, clean the whole siding. So now we're going to demonstrate the pressure washer hooking up to a city line hose here, guys. Now it's 1900 PSI and we're still using the 40 degrees pressure washer head. So let's see what it does here. A little bit stronger, but still getting about, you know, about the same pressure. And now you don't have to worry about the water running out, right? Now I'm going to try a different head here. Power off. Switch head. That's turbo. We're gonna go back to this head, guys. I think this works better for cleaning. Okay, power back on. Let's see here. Yeah, this head's a lot better. A lot faster. So we just got the 11-inch surface cleaner. We're using it for the driveway, but in the meantime, guys, I'm gonna show you here. I'm gonna walk you guys around the house and see how it took us about 3 hours to clean the whole house around the whole siding here, guys. And it looks really, really good. It did a really, really good job. That's the siding. Before we had, let me see here, we'll show you guys. Before we had mold on here earlier in the video, but look at this, guys. Gorgeous, beautiful. And again, we did this in about 3 hours with that little 1900 PSI. And we got the top two. I didn't use a ladder or anything. Everything was done with the stick being long enough. You see that? Spotless. Even the neighbors came over and asked about the pressure washer. They saw how portable it was and how strong it was. You can see, look at this. Spotless, guys, spotless. And just pure, and just a little tip here, if you have a white siding like I do, if you have floodlights and you in copper strip light, it shines off a lot brighter. So having a clean siding really, really helps, guys. Really helps with your lights. And you can see across the street is the neighbors. They actually hire somebody. They pay them $275 to pressure wash the driveway. That's just the driveway. So you can save yourself some money by just going out and spending about 110, 120 bucks, and you can get a better deal on this Greenworks pressure washer. You save yourself a lot of money. Okay, guys? And until next time, until next review, take care. Have a great summer. Bye now.